Arrogance is a red flag. Yeah, a lot of women like that whole bad boy image. Oh, ego is a red flag. मैं कैसे बोल दूँ सॉरी, मैं सब जानता हूँ, मेरे से ऐसे क्यों बोला, क्यों भाई, इंसान हो ना तुम.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है.
According to you, give me 3 green flags and 3 red flags in people.
3
in men.
Oh.
Or in boys, if you want to put it that way.
हाँ ठीक है, same species. Okay, red flags. Arrogance.
Okay.
Is a red flag. The inability to listen.
Thank you.
Yeah. That is a red flag. And
guys are much better now.
What else is a red flag? Wait, I need to phrase this correctly. Always putting... Oh, ego is a red flag.
कि मैं कैसे बोल दूं सॉरी.
मैं कैसे बोल दूं सॉरी, मैं सब जानता हूँ, मुझे ये सब आता है, या मेरे से ऐसे क्यों बोला, क्यों भाई, इंसान हो ना तुम. So yeah, I think these 3 are major red flags.
Do you think women are attracted to a certain few of these things? Like I've heard a lot of my friends saying that they're attracted to arrogance. They love that someone's really cocky and arrogant. They're like, or someone has this thing he can take charge and command, and like he wants to.
There's a difference between taking command and charge. If you know what you're doing, then please by all means take charge and
like do everything.
Yeah, but if you're doing it just for the sake of doing it and just for the fact that you believe that a woman will not be able to do the same thing, then you're stupid. But yeah, I think...
Do you find arrogance sexy in general?
No, not at all. I just said it's a red flag.
But have you heard like women say that?
Yeah, a lot of women like that whole bad boy image, na? But they like it for a while, but जब खुद पे आती है तो then they run in the opposite direction also. So if they find that attractive, it probably means that they've seen certain other qualities that kind of are above that, and that's why they go for a particular person. But I don't know. Yeah, could be that, no? Maybe they've seen other qualities that are better than that. So, yeah.